YouTube video review or a YouTube tutorial for ever, and I finally have a product that made me go ahead and take the leap and do my first video, y'all. So let me tell you about this hair. The company that I ordered it from is called Full Shine, and they are a hair vendor on Amazon. Now, I'm like an Amazon groupie, okay? That's pretty much where I order everything from. So I'm like, you know what? Let me see what their hair is like on here. So I ordered hair from this company in 16 inches. It came pre-colored because I have been dying to try blonde again, which is usually reserved for the summer, but I'm like, you know what? I want to change, so I'm gonna be blonde in the winter. So I ordered the hair, y'all, and it just got delivered today. Like, I got home from work, checked my mail, saw that it was my hair, opened it up, and I'm like, look, I gotta do a review on this. So excuse my scrubs. I'm a nurse practitioner by day and a glam girl by night. So this hair, y'all, is 16 inches. It's a 1B that fades into a number 8 that fades into a number 22. So this is the one that I already opened. So you can see here the 1B, which is gonna match so well with my hair. Look at that color up to me, y'all. So the 1B fades down into the 8, which is like a brownish color, and then it fades into the blonde. Now this is actually, to me it seems, I haven't measured it, but it seems a little bit longer than 16 inches. I'm pretty sure this is like a good 18 inches, because if I put it up to here, like, and I'm pretty tall, like, look how long that's gonna be on me. Like, that's gonna be drippy. Nonetheless, I mean, I can leave it long or I can cut it if I don't want it long. I'd rather have more inches than less. So yeah, the thing that I like the most about this hair is that it's not a harsh line. And I was like looking and I'm like, oh, like a lot of the hair that I saw, the line looks super harsh, and I'm like, before I get that, like, I'll just not be lazy, take the time and dye my own hair. But this hair, y'all, there is no harsh line. Like, it fades into that brown honey, which fades into that blonde beautifully. The blonde has low lights in it. It's almost like a brownish hue that just makes it blend, y'all. Yes. And the bundle, I think, is like 2.5 or 3 ounces, something like that. And if you look at it from the top, it seems like it may be not much hair. Hopefully y'all can see that. But I think that's because I'm so used to seeing the bundles wrapped in a circle, whereas this one is not. But when I feel like and rub my hands through here and like actually look, like, that's a lot of hair. Like, that's a full bundle. And I ordered 3 for my sew and install. I usually like my hair a little thick, but I think 3 of these bundles is gonna be more than enough. So just to show you guys, here is one of my bundles that I haven't opened yet. So this is the back of it. I'm showing you guys back. This has just instructions like on how to wash it, how to blow dry it, how often to wash it, all the stuff that if you wear extensions, you already know. Don't go putting a whole bunch of oils on your hair because it's gonna weigh it down and it's gonna make it tangle. Wash it gently, let it air dry, just basic stuff. So I'm gonna open it up. In here is this little plastic holder, and it just has the color. Focus. Come on now. Okay, yeah, you can see it says 1B 822, length 16. So I'm gonna open it up. And on the back of here, there's also like more instructions. They are making sure that y'all are informed. So you don't mess your hair up and be calling them like, this hair, I don't know what's wrong with it. And running my fingers through it, like I have not got many strands of hair, if any, in my hands. So I don't think shedding is going to be a huge issue. However, you don't know until it's installed and you wear it. But I will be sealing my wefts as I always do. So hopefully I don't run into any shedding issues. But this is the second bundle. And you can see like the color is almost identical to the first one. So it's going to blend perfectly. Yeah, look at that. I'm gonna just put this close to the camera so you can see. Look at how that blends, y'all. Ain't no harsh line. Harsh line where? Like, it looks like I went to a shop and they dyed this hair for me, like on my head. Look at that. How it starts from that dark, which is gonna blend perfect with my leave out, and it just like gently goes into this lovely blonde. So here are two of the bundles together, as you can see. Yes, the colors are identical. This is so full, like even with just these two bundles, y'all, like look at what kind of ponytail this will make. Like that is a lot of hair, and it's got some good movement to it. It's bouncy. It's bomb. So again, the name of the company is Full Shine. I ordered 16-inch 1B, fade into an 8, fade into a 22. They do have multiple other options available, but for me, this is the color that I chose to go with. Like they have much brighter blondes. I think they have some that fade like into a 613, which, you know, I may try in the summer, but for now I figured this was, you know, a good switch up. The cost of the bundles, most important question. So each bundle was about $59 and some change, so less than $60 per bundle. I think 3 bundles is going to be plenty for a full install. Shipping was super fast. I ordered the hair, I got it 2 days later. They are on Amazon Prime, so 2 days later hair was here. Packaging was nice, really no complaints. So I will make another video after the hair is installed just to let you guys know how it wears. Bear with me, y'all. This is my first YouTube video. I feel like I'm all up in y'all's face. Maybe I should have recorded back here, the light back there shining, whatever. I'm gonna get better. Okay, bye. Thanks for watching.